This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening your document and saving a copy so you can revert if needed. Next, go to the View tab and switch to Web Layout. This is the only reliable mode for true web-like flow. Once done, disable Track Changes and show formatting marks so you see hidden breaks and spacing. You do this because Web Layout removes page boundaries and lets content reflow naturally, which is why subsequent adjustments affect how the document behaves online. Now you refine structure by editing styles. Open the Styles pane and modify heading and normal styles to set font, size, and weight. Then, adjust paragraph spacing and line spacing in the paragraph dialog so headings and blocks align consistently. This affects reflow and readability. Make indents and tab stops using the ruler or dialog, and prefer semantic section breaks only when content needs separation. These steps change how browsers and converters interpret the layout, which is why you focus on styles. Finish by previewing both web and print layout to ensure content still reads correctly. Then export using Save as Web Page, filtered to get cleaner HTML. Test the output in a browser and, if needed, adjust styles and re-export. If things go wrong, inspect for manual page breaks, direct formatting, or embedded objects causing misflow, remove or convert them. Make sure to reapply clean styles and save a new copy before retrying. This step fixes the common causes of layout breakage and preserves your original file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.